How to adjust power for accurate shots in golf battle as a beginner. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can try to make a gentle tap shot or a full power blast and learn how to adjust your power bar so that you can make your gameplay smoother and accurate in golf battle. First things first, launch open the golf battle game on your device and make sure you are inside the home page. Now, go to the play button on the right hand corner and tap on it to start playing a match. Now, select one of the maps over here and then wait for a few minutes until the game starts. Now your game will start and you need to go ahead and press and hold backwards to generate power to your ball and you'll be able to release the ball. Watch the power bar carefully. The more power you generate, the farther the ball goes. The lighter your shots, the better for small taps. Simply go ahead and adjust your power carefully. If you go too far, you might lose. While generating power, remember that your power changes depending on where you are. If you are on wood or ice, the ball speeds. If you are on grass, it generates normal power. If you are on slopes, the ball rolls further. Adjust your power based on the terrain. After you know these basics, you'll be able to win it in the golf battle. So that's it. The more you play, the more accurate you can get. Soon, you'll instantly know the exact power needed for any distance. So you have learned how to adjust power for accurate shots in golf battle. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.